Hi, I'm Alexa Schwartz, and today we will be making Kelewele. Currently, we are cutting up the plantains. We are cutting them into 1/2-inch cross slices. There we go. I can edit this. It's fine. Those were a little thick, but it's gonna be okay. Yes. Currently mixing 1 teaspoon of powdered ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of ground red pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of water. You can zoom in on it. It looks nice. Okay. It's not bad. It looks amazing. The plantain slices into the mixture, and we're gonna coat them, and then we are going to put them in oil and fry them. Put the plantains and the mixture into the oil, and we're currently frying them, and we're gonna wait till they're golden brown and probably flip it to get all sides fried, and then we'll be good. And here is the final product. They're golden brown, they're crispy, and they're delicious.